catching meteors at RMSC, Perseid Fest outdoor telescope viewing. This weekend, Rochester is set for a cosmic spectacle as the city celebrates the Perseid meteor shower with a special event at the Rochester Museum Science Center. But here's where it gets controversial. While the shower is widely regarded as the most popular annual meteor event, some argue its fame is more about timing than the actual experience. On Friday, August 1st, local astronomy enthusiasts gathered at the museum's planetarium to witness the celestial phenomenon through telescopes, enjoy free educational shows, and explore over 20 local exhibits showcasing science, art, and space exploration. The Perseid Fest continues Saturday night, offering a chance to see streaks of light across the sky from 5 p.m. to 10 p.m. And this is the part most people miss. The event isn't just about the meteors. It's a reminder of how nature and human curiosity can create unforgettable moments. So, what do you think? Is the Perseid's popularity a result of its beauty, timing, or something else? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Perseid Meteor Shower 2025. Why this year's show will be dimmer, when to watch. Get ready for disappointment. Next week's Perseid meteor shower is about to be ruined by a bright near-full moon. Picture this. The Perseids, our most beloved annual shooting star spectacle, are at their most dazzling right now, having kicked off on July 14th and running all the way through September 1st. But the real action happens overnight on August 12th into August 13th. When meteors usually streak at a breathtaking rate of 50 to 75 per hour. And this is the part most people miss, the moon. Here's where it gets controversial. The sturgeon moon reaches fullness on August 9th, but its glow will still dominate the sky when the Perseids peak. Instead of dark heavens filled with glowing trails, you'll be fighting lunar glare just as night falls. According to the American Meteor Society, that glare will slash meteor counts by at least 75%, leaving only the brightest fragments visible. In other words, expect at best 12 to 18 meteors per hour. Hardly worth staying up late for, right? But ask yourself, is some meteoric magic better than none at all? NASA echoes the AMS warning. The moon's glare will wash out all but the brightest meteors. Yet they sneak in a silver lining. December's Geminids await, free of lunar interference. So if August Perseids let you down, pencil in December 13-14 for the Geminids. Under darker skies, you could see up to 150 meteors per hour before a thin crescent moon rises after midnight. What do you think? Are a handful of Perseid meteors enough to keep you stargazing? Or will you wait until the Geminids deliver the real fireworks? Sound off below. Witness the sky ablaze. The Perseids Meteor Shower 2024. Gaze upward. Dazzling fireballs grace the night sky during the Perseids Meteor Shower. Look up at the night sky, and if fortune smiles upon you, you might witness a spectacular display of meteors, with dozens streaking across the heavens each hour. By Joe Hindy. 3-minute read. For all the stargazers out there, the summer season still has some breathtaking meteor showers in store for you. Just last week, we experienced a rare occurrence of 2 meteor showers lighting up the sky simultaneously. However, the most anticipated meteor shower of the year, the Perseids, is set to reach its peak next week, promising an unforgettable light show, if you can escape the clutches of light pollution. The Perseids are particularly famous for their brilliant fireballs and the sheer number of meteors they produce. This celestial event kicked off on July 17 and will continue until August 23rd. What makes the Perseids so beloved among skywatchers? There are 2 main reasons. Firstly, it occurs during the warm summer months, making it much more pleasant to be outside compared to other major meteor showers, such as the Quadrantids, which take place in the chilly depths of January. Secondly, the Perseids are among the most prolific meteor showers of the year. At its peak, this shower can unleash an astonishing 100 meteors per hour, as reported by the American Meteor Society. This includes not just the typical shooting stars, but also a greater likelihood of witnessing fireballs, meteors that explode as they enter the Earth's atmosphere. According to NASA, fireballs tend to linger longer than regular shooting stars and can display a variety of colors, adding to the spectacle. The Perseids are a gift from the 109P Swift-Tuttle comet. Each year, as Earth orbits the Sun, it passes through the comet's trail of dust and debris, which creates this stunning meteor shower. The comet itself has a lengthy orbital period of 133 years, with its last closest approach to the Sun occurring in 1992. It won't return until 2125, but until then, it continues to provide us with a rich stream of meteors. Tips for observing the Perseids meteor shower. To catch the best view of the Perseids, aim for the peak nights, which will be on August 12th and 13th. During these evenings, you can expect to see anywhere from 25 to 100 meteors per hour on average. However, since the meteor shower spans over a month, you have the opportunity to spot shooting stars on any clear night, as long as you are far enough from city lights. If you plan to enjoy this year's Perseids at their peak, it's advisable to venture far away from urban areas. Bill Kook, the head of NASA's Meteoroid Environments Office, notes that individuals in cities might only catch 1 or 2 meteors per hour, a stark contrast to the much higher counts seen by those in rural locations. Once you find a suitable spot for meteor watching, focus your gaze towards the radiant point, which is where the meteors seem to originate. Like all meteor showers, the Perseids are named after the constellation from which they appear. In this case, Perseus. According to Stellarium's free sky map, Perseus will rise from the northeastern horizon across the continental United States on the nights of August 12th and 13th. It will then ascend into the eastern sky, remaining visible until after dawn. In simple terms, orient yourself towards the east, and you should be in a good position to see the meteors. While binoculars can enhance your experience, telescopes are not recommended, as they limit your field of view and may hinder your chances of spotting meteors. The American Meteor Society also points out that the moon could pose a challenge for viewers. The peak of the Perseids coincides with the full moon, which occurs just 3 days prior to the peak nights. As a result, the moon will still be predominantly full, likely casting enough light to significantly reduce the visibility of meteors. So, are you ready to witness this celestial spectacle? Will you brave the outdoors to catch a glimpse of these stunning fireballs? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. And remember, the night sky holds many secrets. What else do you think we might be missing?